All right, guys. Dr. Dickinson here. I'm going to show you what I would like you to do this week in Excel. If you do not have the data analysis tool pack installed as an Excel add-in on your PC, this is how you would do it. Click on File and go down here to Options. Go to Add-ins, and down here at the bottom it'll say Manage, and it should default to Excel Add-ins. Press Go, and then you would just click on Analysis Tool Pack and press OK, and that should install it into your Excel program. And you would now find that under Data, the Data ribbon, and over here you should now see Data Analysis. Okay, so now we're going to run the routine. We'll use this Data Analysis tool pack on and off during the term until we get to some of the more advanced techniques. I think it's a handy tool for people that don't have access to data analysis tool like SPSS, which we'll also be using this semester. So you click on the Data Analysis tool pack. These are the routines that are available. We'll be using some of these. For this assignment, I just want you to use the descriptive statistics, which are basic stats. So click on that and then press OK. You'll get this dialog box. It's going to ask for input range. It should default to data being aligned in columns. You'll want to click on the labels in the first row because we have labels here in the first row for each of the variables. You can either put the results in a new worksheet or an entirely new workbook. I like to use a new worksheet. That way it's not in a separate window. And then you'll have to click on Summary Statistics. Okay. To get our data range, you just put your cursor in the output box, and we're going to select the sales column, which is column R, as in run, and you just select a column. Click on the top here, and that will put the data range here in the box. Okay, press OK. It'll take a second or two to run because this is a very large data set. And just let that run a bit. Okay, so here are our results in a new worksheet. And you can just expand your columns here so you can see the labels. Okay, so I'll leave it up to you to take a look at your output and then explain it in your assignment. And once I get all the assignments in, then I'll go back over the results and point out some interesting things. Okay, if you have any questions or any problems, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.